60-year-old woman is running the first marathon. That itself is a googly here first. She does not drink enough liquids on top of that. The 60-year-old lady running the marathon, not drinking enough water, so gets dehydrated. So what will be activated in the kidney to help maintain the hydration homeostasis? Guys, do not make this mistake. This is where I wanted to highlight. Direct answer पे jump मत कर लेना. I know your first instinct is कि dehydration हो रहा है, पानी बचाना है, तो anti-diuresis करना पड़ेगा so that the water is conserved. Why everybody is answering A? It is not A. ADH definitely will be activated, but does the ADH act on the proximal tubular cells? Read the options very carefully. Does it act on the PCT? No, it acts on the collecting duct. It induces the aquaporins in the collecting ducts, the principal cells of the collecting duct. ठीक है, तो ये आंसर नहीं है. ठीक है, this is not the answer. The potassium hydrogen exchange in the DCT, this is dependent on aldosterone. Okay, this is dependent on aldosterone, not ADH. Carbonic anhydrase, nothing to do with ADH. So remember, the answer will be D. It is urea reabsorption in the medullary collecting ducts that will be activated. So the learning point here that ADH stimulates the water reabsorption. That is how it causes the antidiuresis. Plus it also stimulates the urea reabsorption. Right, by reabsorbing the urea साथ में पानी भी लेके जाएगा, it will maintain that tonicity, so to reabsorb the water. So this is a snippet from your first aid again. ADH, vasopressin, primarily regulates the serum osmolality and also responds to low blood volume states. So basically it is conserving water. So it stimulates the reabsorption in the collecting ducts. Never ever forget that. Very, very important. And it also stimulates the reabsorption of urea again in the collecting ducts to maximize that osmotic gradient. Osmotic, जब आप यूरिया का reabsorption बढ़ाओगे तो gradient maximize होगा, water reabsorption भी बढ़ जाएगा. Okay, this is directly from your first aid. Look at another snippet from the first aid. The hormones acting on the kidney, where you have atrial natriuretic peptide, angiotensin 2, parathyroid, aldosterone and ADH, right? So look at ADH. Secreted in response to increased osmolarity or decreased blood volume, because basically it increases the water. Okay? Binds to receptors on the principal cells. Where are these principal cells present? In the collecting duct. So increases the aquaporins and increases water reabsorption, increases urea reabsorption in the collecting ducts to maximize the osmotic gradient. Is this clear with everyone? So always, this is very, very frequently tested area in your exam. You should never forget that. ADH acts on what segment of the nephron? It acts on the collecting ducts, not on the PCT, right, or the loop of Henle. It acts on the collecting ducts. Very, very important. It increases the water and the urea reabsorption as well. It increases water and urea reabsorption. It conserves the water. So whenever there is dehydration, the osmolarity is high, ADH will be stimulated. Is this clear with everyone? Yeah. Rest of the hormones I'm not discussing here. Let me know if you need one dedicated video on this, the hormones acting on the kidney, right? What hormone does where, from where it comes, what are its actions. I'll make a dedicated video on that for your revision. Renal physiology is something which is extremely important for your INICET exam also. In physiology, the most important system for INICET is the renal physiology. Okay? Right, so that was the learning lesson. Do not jump to the answer and make silly mistakes and then post exam you say that मैंने तो सही मार्क किया, पता नहीं क्यों गलत हो गया. You have to read the option carefully. This is not the proximal tubular cells, it is the collecting ducts. So the answer here will be the urea reabsorption in the medullary collecting ducts. Because this female is dehydrated, the blood, the volume is getting low. That is why ADH will be stimulated. Whenever there is dehydration, the ADH will be stimulated.